Now remember, Cinderpaw, never go into RiverClan territory. Of course, Fireheart. Huh? Watermole! Come back, Restripe!
Hold on.
Huh? I'm okay. Thanks.
You stupid cat. What are you doing in RiverClan?
Drowning?
Well, can't you drown in ThunderClan?
Ah, but who'd say me there? Where's Brackenpaw? He should be coming. Come on, Graystripe. We have to go.
Go. If my father finds that I helped a ThunderClan cat, he'll shred me for kit betting.
Then why did you save me?
I can't see any cat drowned. Now go!